Well, here in the orchard, we got the twin fawns. There's just one over there, but they were out here, and I put some bean pieces I had, and green beans, and some broccoli pieces from our garden. Uh-oh, where's she going now? What are you doing now? I don't know if you can see, she's got like a dent, something in the middle of her forehead. Anyway, I put out some cinnamon raisin bagels on my feeder, and she's eating them. She jumped up there and she got a couple down. Oh, she's going to get some more. And Lucy's going a little bit crazy. So fun. All right, she's going to have to get up on her hind legs. Oh, they smell so good, she says. Oh, had enough? Okay. No. Oh, maybe I'll try it from this side. Oh. It still smells good. I know they're up there. She's trying to reach them without jumping up. But man, it tastes so good. I don't know if I can resist. I gotta get another bite. Okay. She's thinking about it. She's thinking about it. There she goes. Up to the buffet. Oh, she got a piece. Okay. I broke a few of them in half. And, you know, and I, of course, divided them. And I stood a couple up so I could watch the birds. I expected the birds to be out there. But I didn't think she's cinnamon raisin bagels. So there you have it. I wasn't really trying to feed you. I was trying to feed the birds. That's why they're up there. Oh, she got a whole half of one. Oh my. Oh, she's a happy girl. Happy mama. I don't know where the twins went. They must have went to lay down. You know, it's tough being a fawn. They get a little bit of apple in their tummy and they gotta go lay down and digest it. But there you have it. Does like cinnamon raisin bagel. Hope they're okay for her. The raisin's okay, but the cinnamon, that bear's looking into. Well, I'm glad you got to watch this with me. See you later. Bye-bye.